Hey, today I'll be touring this beautiful brand new listing. It's only had 2 days on the market in the neighborhood of Bridge Creek, which is just south of Bridgeland, Texas. Since I'm the Bridgeland neighborhood expert, it makes total sense that I walk you through this home at 9211 Lowell Cliff Drive in the neighborhood of Bridge Creek. This gorgeous Taylor Morrison home has 4 full bedrooms, 3 full baths, and is almost 2,800 square feet of living space. Did I mention the 3-car garage? Let's go. Hey, as you walk into this home, wow. Beautiful. Wide open walkway through the front foyer. Make a right here, and you can see you have a full bath. That's bathroom number 1, full bath number 1. And then walking into, you have a bedroom right here, right in the front. Good size. That's a full-size bed. Back out. Some closet space right there. Alright, good size closet with shelves. A little bit further down the hallway here, you come to the formal dining room. And 2 full windows to let the natural light in. You know, this is a Taylor Morrison home, and one thing with Taylor Morrison, they're a luxury build, but I don't say luxury, but very high-end builder that really puts a lot of thought into their product. Just gorgeous, gorgeous homes. So you can see right there, I really like that built-in countertop over there. It's beautiful for displays and what have you. There's another one right there next to the refrigerator. So plenty of counter space. Massive island. Massive island. Single basin sink. Stainless steel. All the upgrades in this house. Beautiful cabinetry. Oversized pantry. Built-in shelves. Nice little kitchen nook. Okay, looks out into the backyard, a covered patio. And then you have beautiful built-in fireplace, gas fireplace with the nice wood mantle. And then I really like this feature here. Off of the family room, you have another sitting room, which really goes nice for you know, whatever you like. You want to watch TV, or if you want to make it into an office, what have you. I think it's a really, really nice feature. Back a little bit further, and you're walking into the primary bedroom. Look at this thing. Wide, whole wall of windows right there. It's huge. So much open space in this primary bedroom. Absolutely gorgeous. Walking into the bathroom, massive soaking tub right there. Walk-in shower. Can't beat that. The cabinetry in here matches what's in the kitchen, which is really nice. And you have a huge closet. I can't really get over this soaking tub here. It's absolutely gorgeous. And you have the natural light with the window coming in. Upgraded faucets and what have you. Back out here. So that's the main, living room area. This is basically the center stage of the house. You have the kitchen that flows into the family room, which flows into the kitchen nook. Double doors into your office or TV room, media room, whatever you want to make it. And then you can see the front door and the back door at the same time. You can see one side of the house all the way to the next side of the house. Now off to the left here, we have a little hallway here with your little, there's your garage door. Some closet space here. Your garage door, that goes out to your 3-car garage. Okay. Then you have your laundry room with shelves. All right, we'll go into bedroom number 3. As you can see, this is a kid's bedroom. Bedroom number 4, which is another kid's bedroom. Very good size. Lots of natural light from the window. You come into the third full bath. You have the double sinks with the bathtub and toilet back there. Back out to the hallway. And we'll take a look at the 3-car garage, which is really something. Three-car garage. I know if I had a 3-car garage, it wouldn't look as clean as that. But anyway, it's another story. Now let's go take a look out in the backyard. The backyard is actually really nice. I really like this. You can already see it's got a covered patio, which is important for Texas because it's hot, but then also it rains, right? So if you look in here, you have the full covered, and you have not 1 but 2 built-in ceiling fans. And then they have the lighting around, which makes the ambiance, and they have a TV, which makes it a nice ambiance if you want to sit out here and chill after a hard day or on a weekend. You're more than welcome to do that. And then, if you got a nice sized backyard, not too big, not too little, and because the porch is covered, you obviously don't want to have smokers, so they have a smoker out there. You put your smoker in the grass, plenty of room for that. So yeah, this is a beautiful home. Once again, it's a Taylor Morrison made, built in 2023. And is on the market. It is for sale right now. And if I were you, I would come and take a look at it. Call me for a free showing. You can reach me at 281-750-2915. I'll repeat that. You can call me for a private showing at 281-750-2915. Or you can email me at christian@christianwalshhomes.com. Hopefully I'll talk to you soon. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Bye-bye.